The concept of Eka Sarana is a distinctive feature of Ekasarana Namdharma, the order founded by Srimanta Sankaradeva. The name Ekasarana Harinam Dharma was given by Madhavdev, while Sankaradeva himself mostly used Ekasarana Namdharma or Namdharma. This concept Eka Sarana means refuge in a single Almighty. The concept was derived from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, where Lord Krishna said, Sarva Dharman Parityajya Mamekang Saranang Braja. So one has to take refuge in a single absolute entity. The philosophical characteristic of Ekasarana Namdharma is that it believes in the single Almighty, which is both Ishvara and Brahma. Brahma and Ishvara are equal in this philosophy. So it assimilates both monism and monotheism. This Ishvara is equal to Brahma. So Lord Krishna has presented in Ekasarana Namdharma is a Nirguna nature. He is available to the devotees through his name. That is why the devotees chant his name. The manifestation of Lord Krishna may be in other form also. So the devotees chant the other names like Hari, Rama, etc. All these manifestations are that of the single Almighty. So the followers of Ekasarana Namdharma have to worship only one God, that is Lord Krishna or his other manifestations. If there is any deviation, it is not considered as following the principle of this order. Srimanta Sankaradeva was very particular in this respect. He expelled one devotee from his order because he had worshipped other deity. In fact, there is also social causes behind this stringence. The other Vaishnavite orders of India are seen to worship the consort of the Lord along with the Lord. For example, Radha is worshipped with Krishna. But in Ekasarana Namdharma, that is not there. If one believes in this order and the philosophy thereof, one can and one should worship only Lord Krishna. Srimanta Sankaradeva was very particular about it because the worship of female deity along with the Supreme Absolute led to some unwarranted practices. So, unlike the other Vaishnavite orders, this Vaishnavite order, Ekasarana Namdharma, does not have any female deity worship. Only Lord Krishna or his other manifestations are worshipped. Many scholars opine that Srimanta Sankaradeva derived his ideas from the Alvars. But even in the case of Alvars, we find eulogy of other deities, especially female deities. So Ekasarana is found only in the Ekasarana Namdharma. It is a distinctive feature of Srimanta Sankardeva's Ekasarana Namdharma.